Welcome to this mini fresque session where we'll try to come up with a link between the disruption of the water cycle and floods. Water evaporates from various bodies of water like oceans and lakes into the atmosphere. It cools, condenses into clouds, and then falls back on Earth as rain or snow. The water flows through rivers, seeps into the ground, and returns to the ocean and thus begins the cycle again. But today, this balance is disrupted. The weather over the past few years has been getting noticeably warmer, and this trend is no coincidence. Global temperatures are rising, and the main driver is human activity, especially the burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes that release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. As temperatures climb, the atmosphere's ability to hold moisture increases. This means more water vapor is present in the air, and that water vapor isn't just moisture, it's energy. You see, when water evaporates, it absorbs heat from its surroundings. This energy, called latent heat, is stored in the vapor. When that vapor eventually condenses to form clouds and rain, all that stored energy is released back into the atmosphere. This release fuels weather systems, making them more intense and more dangerous. That's why storms are getting stronger. More heat and moisture mean more instability in the atmosphere, which increases the chances of severe lightning, heavy downpours, and flash flooding. As cities continue to grow, we cover more of the land with concrete, asphalt, and buildings. These hard, impermeable surfaces stop rainwater from soaking into the ground. Instead, the water flows quickly over streets and sidewalks, heading straight into storm drains, but these systems often can't handle the volume, especially during heavy rainfall. The result is fast, intense urban flooding, streets turning into rivers, homes and businesses at risk, and even a short storm can cause serious disruption. And outside cities, land use and land cover changes are just as important. Agriculture often compacts soil and removes vegetation, reducing infiltration and increasing erosion. Deforestation removes trees that normally catch rainfall and help water soak into the ground slowly. At the center of it all is the disruption of the water cycle, caused by a mix of climate change and human land transformation. Your challenge is to connect these pieces, so let's begin.